5:20 right now. You guys are going to be in charge of him. I'm going to watch for this other one. That other one ain't coming, but that's fine. You guys just take care of that one. Yeah, 375, fellas. Well, I mean, he's coming. Is he coming in? Well, we're going to get this one killed. Fuck that other one. I don't care if we drop that one right there. He just dropped off the bank coming on in. We've got a head poking right there.
Nah, he's coming. He's hardcore.
Oh, look, he's right here. Alright, I'm cutting that call off. You guys kill him.
Can I shoot?
That's what, yeah, you can shoot whenever he stops. Whenever he stops. 1, 2, 3.
I know a few of us hit him.
I don't see his buddy anywhere up there. He must have decided not to come.
Yeah, buddy.
How we doing?
Well, you tell me. How you doing?
You see anything?
Ah, shit, man. Oh, yeah, he's dragging it back, ain't he?
Yep.
Good deal. So you got one down?
Got one down.
Great. That's fantastic.
Hope he's bucking his back.
He's coming over that terrace down there. 300 yards. 300 yards, fellas. You guys seen him running at us? One off to the left, huh? We need to get picked out on him here. Okay, I see the one that's getting ready to come up on the hill. We don't want them right here under us. If we can get squared up real nice on him. I mean, he's 314 yards on the berm. Where's the other one at? I'm on the one on top of the hill. I don't know where the other one is.
I'm on the one to the left.
Okay. Justin, you on the one to the left? Yeah. Okay, me and Justin's on left. You go to the right. You and Cody are on the right.
You see the one to the right, Cody?
Yeah, he'll come up over that hill here in a second.
Yeah, we're both about to cross.
Side by side. This perfect shot. 236.
Back one is 290.
I'm on the right one.
Yeah, he's coming around though.
Behind that tree.
That rabbit just come running out.
There he is, right behind the rabbit.
Oh, we was all behind him. He got moving on us. Look down here where they originally were. Make sure there ain't another one. You guys dumped, didn't you?
Yeah, we dumped ours.
Good job, fellas.
Man, how'd we miss ours?
Yeah, coyote fever. Thanks, bro.
Put you
You're
on the
killing
couch.
it.
You're a fucking killer at the call.
You're killing it.
What the hell's that light down there?
You know what he's saying?
What'd you say?
What's that green light out there?
That's his laser he has on the
Oh, I was like, what the hell? Got something green coming out of the bushes.
look at him. Hardcore. No, I had to get my recording turned on. What's your range on him? Yeah, one, two, three. Peeking over on that cow trail, looking at us. I bet that's him. I don't know for sure. Yep, here he comes. He's coming. I'll poke at him with you. Let's watch what he does first. I mean, we just brought him up out of that hole. Yeah, here he comes. He wants something just a little bit different. I'm gonna hit him with something different here and see what he does. Oh, yeah.
Okay. You better hurry.
Yeah.
You ready? Stop.
Yep. Way the fuck out there. Coyote. See it out there? See where my gun's pointing? Huh? Straight out. All the way. 600 yards. Seen him? Yeah. No. I need to try something different. No, I didn't. I turned my head trying to get their attention. Keep coming, bud. Come on in here a little more now. There you go. There you go. He's getting a little antsy. Yeah, we could. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you bastard. We got him spinning. Oh, damn! Come in from the other side. Devastation.
Got that all on video.
That first coyote, bud. Your homie, he ain't behind you no more. He was behind you, but he ain't behind you no more. Tell him what's up.
Well, you're more than welcome next time you come out to. I hope you stay with me again.
Hell yeah, I will. You're gonna have to really screw up for me not to decide to come back down here now, bud. You really gonna have to do something bad.